Hey fam!
This is Sponge Cola, and you are tuned into
Easy Run.
Ako!
Ted.
Ako.
Si Ted.
Hindi, kaya ako drummer para walang lyrics.
Oo nga.
Nagkakabistuhan pag practice tapos siya yung kakanta. Para, ayos
Ano?
Meron kaming policy Pag practice, kapag ikaw yung reason kung ba't may practice, kailangan ikaw yung kakanta buong practice.
Like, kunwari mawawala for vacation seated, like 2 weeks, tapos magkakaroon kami ng jamming, tapos marang substitute for him. Tapos siya yung kakanta.
He has to sing.
Kailangan ko i-google pa yung lyrics. Tapos, may guide na. Mali pa yung phrasing ko. Parang, ito pala lyrics dito sa kantan to. So, yeah.
Sarap.
like a remix. Si Ted din.
Ah, si Ted pa rin.
Ako din.
Pero ako yung second. But unless, if you ain't first, you're last.
Yeah.
Second to the last.
Or si Armo yung laging punctual.
Or siga.
Or si Gosh.
Depends kung sinong artist, no?
Mga jazz artist si Ted.
Jazz si Ted. Kasi jazz guy siya
Pagka NBA,
Ako.
Pag Korean.
Korean.
Ako rin.
Yan.
Pag metal band si Arm.
Si Armo pag metal bands.
Si Gash,
Si Gosh wala, neutral.
Pag anime. Pag naka-meet siya ng anime character, magpa-fanboy siya.
Kailan mangyayari yun? Uy, si Goku! Siya yun lang alam mo anime, sorry. We don't break instruments. Wow.
Counted ba yung strings? Kasi kung strings me,
Oo,
it's me.
siya.
It's
Yeah.
me. Sometimes I break a string before the gig. So parang yay.
Like, parang intro pa lang
fun.
ng first song, dun mapuputol.
At least naputol agad para mapalitan agad. Diba?
Parang ano lang yun at least nag-break kayo kaysa kinasal kayo tapos naghiwalay kayo.
Ooh.
Pero hindi naman tayo kinakabahan if ever mangyari yun kasi accidents do happen parang sa drumsticks pwedeng maputol. Pero hindi kami worried kasi andyan naman yung lyric to always to help us with our instruments and
Play the best brands.
Play the best
So,
brands.
magagaling yung crew namin, sina Gomer, si Tame, saka si Robert.
Pag naputulan kami ng string, parang mga 11 seconds lang may okay na.
Tapos kung masira na lang yung gamit namin, kailangan nilang kumanta sa stage.
Tsaka sisisi namin sila for mga 4 days.
Max.
Pero si Lian kumanta talaga.
Ay, photographer namin nga pala kumakanta.
Lian, kanta ka dito.
Kanta naman Lian.
Liga.
Tapos maganda yung eyelashes niya.
Liga.
Bagong gupit din siya today.
Mukha siyang Egyptian.
Who's most likely to be bagong gupit? Lian.
Lian, our photographer. Who is most likely to be a cute photographer? Lian.
Lian.
Likely to be a singer-photographer.
Lian. Who's most likely to have shaky hands?
Lian.
Yel.
Me.
Yeah.
It's part of like what I need to do. And I'm also an extrovert.
Kaya kami laging updated sa mga takbo niya.
Useless pa.
Oh, useful yun,
Run again today, I see.
I ran 12 kilometers today. No wonder you're late. Ganyan. Kanina ganyan eh. No wonder you're late. She had to shower.
Ayun, kaya din ako na-lead kasi pinapanood ko yung mga pinopost ni El.
Di pa siya nagpo-post, di pa tapos tumakbo yan.
Oo nga, hindi. Totoo yun. Minsan naisip ko para pag i-post ko ito, inisip ito yung magiging dahilan ng pagka-late ko eh.
Tapos pag ito, nag-post na, papunta na yan. Pwede na maligo.
And it's true. Pag sa recording, di ba, nakatakbo ko lang eh.
We live by different time zones.
Yeah, it's,
Tigash.
si Gosh, pag serious moment, he's like a dragon eh.
Hindi naman.
Diba? Diba?
Man of few words, pero a lot of words in private.
Man of few words, but many laughs.
Many laughs. One-liners. Quippy guy.
Most likely to move a mountains.
Gosh. Tsaka umakit siya ng mountains eh.
Pero ayaw niya mag-rock climbing.
Tsaka ayaw niya maka-encounter ng diwata.
Oo nga, nasa starstruck ka ba sa mga...
Starstruck siya sa mountains.
Oo nga, parang, uy, makiling hanip po.
Ganda!
Daming trees.
Grabe. Me. I listen to a lot of sad songs when I run. Kasi I'm trying to keep my heart rate low. So I need to listen to slow songs. So a lot of Damien Rice while running fast. Ted, kasi jazz siya eh. Yung mga jazz ganun eh. Parang, uy, tara, drums ako ah.
That's if I arrive on time. So kung wala pa ako doon, very spontaneous, very jazz.
Pero pag late ka na,
Freeform.
So habang wala pang drum, si Gash muna ang magte-take the bass for a walk.
Babam.
Akong no one knows about si Gosh yun. Kasi mysterious siya eh. Tsaka si Armo. Pero yung mystery ni Armo kasi parang sanay na ako. Yung mystery ni Gosh parang mountain eh.
CL.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I like Language of Love ko yun.
Yeah.
Tsaka it's usually different kinds of chicken. Pero lahat pare-parehong
or
chicken.
donuts.
Or donuts.
Or
Tapos
chocolate.
or chocolate. Tapos sabay-sabay. Tapos minsan it's a certain brand that rhymes with chips baboy. Tapos yung chunky, tapos yung blue, tapos yung red. Tapos titingnan ko, ay, naubos agad yung red. Oo.
Tsaka yung donuts na Blanken Blow Nuts.
Oo. Kasi maganda rin yung coffee ng Blanken Blow Nuts eh. We're trying to keep the brand a secret eh.
Sarap kasi yung Blankins nila.
Remember, someone today with Sponge Cola.
Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.